Hi, learners! Welcome back to Miss Grammar, the happiest place to learn English. Today's episode is full of funny stories, real-life conversations, and easy English speaking practice. So get ready, take a deep breath, and smile.
Yes, because when you smile, speaking English becomes 10 times easier. Today, we're going to help you speak naturally in real life, at home, outside, with friends, with strangers, with anyone.
And remember, this is episode 3, so make sure you also watch episode 1 and episode 2. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar. So, Alex, before we start, how are you? I feel like you have a story today.
Oh, I definitely have a story. A funny one. A please don't judge me kind of story.
Oh, no. Tell us.
Okay, so I went to a supermarket yesterday, and the cashier asked me, "Do you need a bag?" I wanted to say, "No, I have my own bag," but instead, I confidently said, "No, I am my own bag."
What?
I didn't even realize. The cashier looked at me like, "Wow, sir, are you okay?"
This is the best example for today's lesson. You don't need perfect English, you need confident English.
Exactly. And today, we're going to practice exactly that. English for real-life situations.
Useful real-life sentences repeat after us. Okay, everyone, repeat after us. These are sentences you will use every single day. Number 1, starting a conversation.
Hi, how's your day going? Try to say that. Hey, what are you doing today? Now repeat after me.
Number 2, talking about plans.
I'm going to the market. I'm meeting a friend. I'm working on something. And say this. I'm not sure yet. It depends. I'll see.
Number 3, talking about feelings.
I feel great today. I'm a little tired. I'm excited. I'm hungry. I need coffee.
Funny story number 1, daily life mistake. Okay, learners, here comes story number 1. It's called The Day Alex Became a Human Alarm Clock.
Hey, that sounds like I'm a superhero. I like it.
Okay, listen, everyone. Alex slept through his alarm and woke up so late that he ran through his entire house screaming, "I'm late! I'm late! I'm late!"
He sounded like a malfunctioning robot.
I truly did. My voice cracked like, "I'm late!" Then he rushed outside and realized
It's Sunday. There was no school, no work, nothing.
he almost ran to the bus stop for no reason.
My neighbors were looking at me like, why is this man sprinting? Is he training for the Olympics?
And here are the sentences you can learn from this story. Number 1, I woke up late. Number 2, I overslept. Number 3, I was in a hurry. Number 4, I rushed outside. Number 5, then I remembered. Repeat after us.
Now, your turn.
I woke up so late today, I was in a hurry. I almost forgot something important.
Perfect. That's natural English.
Funny story 2. Story number 2 is called The Mysterious Stranger Who Wasn't Talking to Alex.
This one is embarrassing.
A guy said, "Hey, what's up?" Alex smiled and replied, "Great. How are you?" And then,
He walked straight past me, talking on his Bluetooth earphone.
Alex was talking to a wall, to air, to nobody.
I gave the best answer ever to a tree.
Okay, English learners, here are useful daily sentences from this story. Sorry, I thought you were talking to me.
I didn't realize you had earphones.
Awkward. I made a mistake. Repeat after us. Real-life conversation practice. Alex versus Luna. Topic: making plans.
What are you doing later?
Not much. Maybe relaxing. What about you?
I'm thinking about going for a walk.
Nice. Where?
To the park.
Enjoy. Real-life questions. Now you answer. What are you doing today?
Good.
Are you tired today? Nice.
What time did you wake up? Amazing.
Speaking English out loud is the best practice. Funny story 3. Our final story is big and extremely funny. Get ready. Alex versus the automatic door.
Oh no, not this one.
Yes, this one. Story begins. Alex went to a mall. He walked confidently toward the automatic sliding door. The door stayed closed. So Alex stood there, waiting, smiling, slowly waving his hand like a magician trying to open it.
I look like Harry Potter losing magic.
Then he tried waving, stepping back, stepping forward, sideways movement, jumping.
I tried everything. And the security guard kept watching me like, "Sir, it's push door."
It wasn't automatic.
Yes, it had a giant sign saying push, and I missed it.
Okay, learners, here are useful sentences. The door wouldn't open. I thought it was automatic. I didn't read the sign. It was embarrassing. People were watching me. Fluency training. Repeat fast and slow.
I thought it was automatic. I didn't read the sign.
I thought it was automatic. I didn't read the sign.
Repeat with us.
Final speaking practice. Long sentences. Let's practice long sentences. Repeat after me. Sometimes I make funny mistakes, but that is how I learn. I want to speak English with confidence every day. I am not perfect, but I am improving.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Thank you for learning with us today. You spoke, you laughed, and you learned real English.
And remember, funny mistakes are normal. They make you better.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar for episode 4.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye!
Bye!